Hi, hi students. This is Dr. Badrinath, and today's topic is sedatives and hypnotics. Hypnotism. Hypnotism is a very wonderful science. Actually, it is a wonderful science. It was there from the previous years, from the thousands years onwards. Okay, hypnotism. Here you can see the one of the hypnotistic devices like this. And number of hypnotists are available. Very famous hypnotists are available worldwide. In India also, a number of hypnotists are available. So whenever you will approach them, you can't. Your mind is not in your control. They will grab your mind, and you will tell. You will reveal all the secrets. Your high school, your 10th class secrets. Everything you will reveal to them. Because your mind is not under your control, because they are the hypnotists. Hypnotism is a science. Okay, these hypnotist drugs, these drugs are obtained from that science only, from that name only. Hypnotism, hypnotics, sedatives. Okay, that is today's topic, right? uh, these are the devices what they are using here. So you have to go on like this, like a pendulum will be there. That pendulum, you have to go through that, and rings will be there. So you will be more attracted by them. So automatically, without any medication, you will tell all your secrets to them. So he's a B.V. Pattaviram, very popular, one of my favorite hypnotists in India. B.V. Pattaviram, Dr. B.V. Pattaviram, and he was a psychologist also. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And this is a device what they will use. Okay. On the TV screens and all. So now you will go to your fourth class. Now you will go to your third class, like that. So it was science, but nowadays drugs are came. Okay, hypnotistic drugs are there. So this was very popular movie in the movie of Jagadeka Viruda Sundari. Uh, so he's Amresh Puri villain that everybody know. So he has in one pendulum he has in his hand. So whenever he's shaking that or shaking that, automatically our mind will be out of control, and you will be attracted to them. And whatever he say, you have to obey. Okay. So this is a very popular science, Indian science, hypnotism. So we are studying a subject of pharmacology one theory. Okay, here I have highlighted the subject what we are studying here, and this is the topic syllabus: sedatives and hypnotics. Okay, that's today's topic. Keep in your mind, hypnotism is a wonderful science. Yeah, three things you have to keep in your mind. One is anxiolytic, sedatives, and hypnotics. Clear cutly, you have to know the difference. First one, anxiolytic, name itself indicates it reduces the, see here, drugs used to depress the central nervous system. So why you are getting anxiety? Anxiety means not you. Neurons which are present in your brain will be get excited. Will be get excited. So automatically you will also become excited. That is the main problem here. Okay. So anxiolytics, lytic means cut, which cuts the anxiety. These are the drugs used to depress the central nervous system. So excitement of CNS will be decreased. It prevents the signs and symptoms of the anxiety. That is called a clear-cutly anxiety, anxiolytics. And sedation, it reduces the nervousness. Whenever you will go interviews, first interview, second interviews, and all, you will feel very nervousness, excitability. Your neurons automatically, without your permission, your neurons will be get excited, and irritability without causing a sleep. So these are the sedatives are reduces the nerve. So you take a sedative tablet and go for interview. Nothing will happen. You can't get a sleep because hypnotics you will get a sleep. In sedation you will not get a sleep. That is a major difference between the sedation and hypnotics. Very important point you have to underline. Hypnotics, sleep is equal to hypnotics, whereas a sedation you will not get a sleep. Okay, but you will feel that you will tired like that, but you will feel very happy. So whenever you will feel nervousness, high nervousness, doctors will suggest you. Okay, do not ask the doctor, sir, I want to attend the interview, so I am getting this one. Means doctors will give you some diazepam like that, some tablets, and according to that you can be take. It reduces the nervousness. Interview you have to keep in your mind, nervousness, excitability. By seeing that new environment and very big company, automatically we will get excited. We will get, that is the main problem. So we cannot face the interview properly. Okay. And irritability without causing a sleep. Here, hypnotics causes a sleep and have a much more potent effect on the CNS than do sedatives. More potent, see here, more potent effect on the CNS than the sedatives. It produces a sleep. It causes a sleep, hypnotics. That is the point what you have to keep in your mind. Hypnotism is equal to sleep. Sleep is equal to hypnotism. Yeah, very important. Number of times it was appeared. What is the difference between the sedation and hypnotics? Hypnotics means sleep. That's why here is see that. Okay, and here sedation like this sedation, but you will not get sleep. You will not get sleep. Okay, yeah. Sedation, a drug that reduces the excitement, calms, you will be calmed down. Okay, that's why sedatives are important for interviews. That point you have to keep in your mind. Calms the patient without inducing the sleep, without increasing the sleep. Here, a drug that produces a sleep that resembles to the natural sleep. You are in a heaven. You are in a heaven. Okay. And sedatives in the therapeutic doses. Keep in your mind, sedatives in the therapeutic doses, either somewhat little less therapeutic doses. It acts as a anxiolytics also. Okay, anxiolytics. It acts as a in a small doses, somewhat therapeutic doses, somewhat little doses. Hypnotics are used for initiation and maintenance of the sleep. If you want to initiate the sleep, you take hypnotic. If you want to maintain your sleep, after the initiation, you will get a sleep. That sleep, if you want to maintain it, continue, if you want to continue, hypnotic. If you want to sleep, if you want to continue the sleep, hypnotics. Sleep is hypnotics, hypnotics is equal to sleep. That is a formula, what you have to keep in your mind, right? And sedatives, most sedatives in larger doses. See here therapeutic doses, it acts as an anxiolytic. Whereas in larger doses, it produces a hypnotics. See here, sedatives in therapeutic doses, somewhat less anxiolytic, sedation, hypnotics, higher doses. So high doses, medium doses, low doses, like that. Okay, that point you have to keep in mind. Same drug only. Dose is the magic here. Okay, so it produces a trance-like a state. Hypnotics are at higher doses, produces a general anesthesia. See here, how logic is there. So anxiolytic, sedation, hypnotics, general anesthesia. Four are the steps. Okay, right. Site of action is on the limbic system. It acts on the limbic system. Limbic system is very important for the emotions. We know very well. Limbic system means emotions. Emotions means limbic system. System which regulates thought and mental function. So same told, no, emotions. Site of action is on the midbrain here. Hypnotics acts on the midbrain and ascending RAS, which maintains the wakefulness. So here wakefulness is reduced here. Hypnotics acts on the midbrain and reduces the wakefulness, reduces the RAS. RAS is responsible for wakefulness. Here, these drugs reduces the RAS. Yeah. Main clinical uses. What is the purpose of sedations and hypnotics? Clinically, for which patients we have to prescribe all these things? Anxiety, number one. See here how he is very anxiety about his future. He has a less knowledge, very less knowledge, and he want a very big job. So some tension, anxiety will be there. Some to do business like that. Marks tension, examination tension, anxiety. Number one is anxiety clinically. Number two is insomnia. Insomnia is nothing but sleeplessness. We know very well. Insomnia, like an owl. Owl will not sleep. Owl is a bird that we know. This is the shape of the owl. Very eyeballs are very big. Okay, it reverse. It hangs reverse. I think night times you can see in the night times. Owl will not sleep. That's why this is a insomnia is one of the famous club in the Hyderabad night club. This is a night club, insomnia. If you are not getting sleep, you just go to that insomnia club and you enjoy it. The club name itself, insomnia. Actually, it is a name of the disease. Insomnia is a name of a disease where you will not get sleep. Okay, insomnia, owl, OWL, owl. And also, it is also used for pre-anesthesia. Hypnotics, you can use insomnia. Hypnotic sleep, you will get a sleep. Pre-anesthetics. See, this pre-anesthetic, local anesthetic, general anesthetic, I have already given. Pre-anesthetics do not produces any anesthesia. Pre-anesthetics reduces the patient anxiety. Later, they will give the anesthetics. Before, directly, they will not give the anesthetics. That point you have to keep in your mind, and you watch my video on that. Okay, and the sedatives, hypnotics, mainly three are there. There is no separate sedatives, there is no separate hypnotics, there is no drugs like that. Lesser doses sedation, still less anxiolytic. Okay, therapeutic dose, and more doses hypnotics, like that. Dose is the thing. If you are using a higher and higher, general anesthesia. Mainly three things keep in your mind: barbiturates, benzodiazepines, newer non-benzodiazepine hypnotics. 1, 2, 3. Barbiturates, benzodiazepines, newer non-benzodiazepine hypnotic. Here you can see zopiclone, zopidem, gelaplan. Gelaplan. These are the three. 1, 2, 3. Okay. These three here also. This part we can complete here itself. Zopiclone, zopidem, gelaplan. These are the non-benzodiazepine. Very, very important things. Hypnotics, it produces a natural sleep. Very important for a high competition examination. They will ask you classification. What is the classification? Barbiturates, first one. Barbiturates. These barbiturates are classified into three: long acting, like a 1 to 2 days; short acting, like 3 to 8 hours. See here, 1, 2, 3 hours. These are the hours, 3 to 8 hours. And this is a clock, minutes. Ultra short acting. This is up to 20 minutes only. Ultra short acting. It acts on very, 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 very important number of times. It was appeared in the all competitive and regular examination. Barbiturates are classified according to the time. If you are taking a phenobarbital, you will feel happy for 1 or 2 days. Phenobarbital, 1 or 2 days you can happily. If you are taking high dose hypnotism, you will get, otherwise sedation. You will feel very happy at low doses. Sedation will be there. Okay, light sedation will be there. No anxiety, no stress. Your mind will be always cool. Be cool. Okay, for 2 days. Phenobarbital. Butobarbital, see, butopento, both are came side by side. It comes in the middle, 4, 5. And secobarbital, amobarbital. You can remember like this. A means 1, seco means second. Okay, buta means 4. So pento means 5. So 1, this is 1, 2, second, 3. That is 3 is not there here. 4, buta, penta. Like that you can remember. So amobarbital, secobarbital, butobarbital, pentobarbital. Sequentially you can remember. Okay, and thiopentone, methohexitone. And keep in your mind here, phenobarbital, pentobarbital. So you might get confusion. Okay, penta means 5 and 20 minutes only. If you want an only small time, little excitement or hypnotism or sedation for thiopentone, TM or MT, methohexitone, like that you can practice. So this is as per their this one. And benzodiazepines, first barbiturates completed. These are the benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines, here you can see some of the tricks to remember. Short acting benzodiazepines, long acting, intermediate acting, like that. Here you can keep in your mind 5 hours it acts. Half-life. Half-life is 5 hours. Remember the atom. Atom is a thing. Alprazolam, triazolam, oxazepam, midazolam, AITOM, atom. You can keep in your mind. TLC, temazepam, lorazepam, clonazepam. And this is out the liver. Benzodiazepines not mediated by the liver and safe to use in the liver. So not metabolized by the liver. That's why here out of the liver. Remember the word out of the liver, OTL. It doesn't metabolize it by the liver. Okay, oxazepam, temazepam, lorazepam. And diazepam here, CDEF, sequence words, sequence alphabets. Chlorgepart, okay, chlordiazepoxide, diazepam, flurazepam, like that you can remember. These are the benzodiazepines as per the short acting, long acting, intermediate. Previously, what we saw is a benzodiazepines. These benzodiazepines, Again, we can be classified like a which is hypnotic, which is anti-anxiety, which is anti-convulsant. Here it can be also used as an anti-convulsants also, these drugs. That point you have to keep in your mind. Okay, this is also very, very important. Diazepam is used as a both. See here, D, D, D. That's why he highlighted here DAL, DAL, DAL I highlighted here. D stands for diazepam, hypnotic, anti-anxiety, anti-convulsant, DAL. Here you can see the DAL. A, alprazolam, here also you can use, here also you can use, alprazolam. Lorazepam, lorazepam here and here you can use, like that. So flurazepam, chlordiazepoxide, like this you can remember anti-anxiety, anti-convulsant. This is anti-convulsant, this is anti-anxiety, this is a hypnotic. Hypnotic means a sleep. Okay, this and convulsions also due to excitement of your neurons only. That's why don't get excited. If you're getting excited, your neurons will be get excited and it may leads to convulsions. This is mechanism of action very well now. You know that you are very lucky because benzodiazepines, barbiturates almost all having a same mechanism of action. This is a receptor, chlorine receptor, GABA. Here GABA site. This is the GABA site where the GABA will act on this receptor. This is a benzodiazepine receptor where benzodiazepine will act. See here, benzodiazepines will act here. And barbiturate, this is a barbiturate. So either GABA, benzodiazepine, barbiturates, what happened? The ultimate aim is to open the chlorine channel. Once there was a open the chlorine channel, automatically chlorine inflow will be there. So your nerves, neuron excitement will be reduced. Always cool. GABA, you know that it is a inhibitory neurotransmitter. It inhibits the excitement of neuron GABA, which is available in the naturally. So now what happened? These are the barbiturates, benzodiazepines are the friends to GABA. It potentiates the action of the GABA. GABA means cooling, cooling means GABA. Okay. Yeah, here you can see how barbiturates, benzodiazepines are similarly produced, same only, same action only, what I have shown on the GABA receptors. Okay, so I will end my session here. Okay, keep watching my playlists. There I have kept all subjects.